Look here. 1, 2, 3, smile cheese. 最好不口水哥哥。Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, cheese. And go.
Okay, alright. Hello, Blockineers. Today we're going to
Unbox, demo, and review.
Hello, Blockineers. Today we're going to unbox, demo, and review.
Mel Physics.
Okay. Hello, Blockineers. Today we're going to unbox, demo, and review Mel Physics. We've done Mel Science and Mel Chemistry before. You can watch those videos by clicking up here. And this is the new physics set, which is called Hydrophobicity.
Or this particular is called.
Okay, alright. Yeah. This particular set is called Hydrophobicity.
How about the new, and this is the new physics series or physics line.
Huh?
And this is a new physics line, meaning this is the whole series.
Oh, line?
Yeah, and this is this Mel Science's new physics line. And this particular box is on.
Okay. Okay. Hello, Blockineers.
No, you have to start over.
No, but I don't know if I like.
Oh, sure. Okay. All right.
Hello, Blockineers. Today we're going to unbox, demo, and review Mel Physics. We've done Mel Science and Mel Chemistry before. You can check out those videos by now. Hello, Blockineers. Today we're going to unbox, demo, and review Mel Physics. We've done Mel Science and Mel Chemistry before. You can watch those videos by clicking up here. This is Mel Physics.
Mel Science's new.
Okay. This is Mel Science's new physics line, and this particular set is called Hydrophobicity. Now.
Yeah.
Fun to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. If this looks fun to you, you can purchase it at the link in the description. And now let's check out the box first. These are all the contents. It looks like there's going to be a total of 3 experiments.
The first
Droplet labyrinth will take 20 minutes.
Oil spill is 10 minutes. And hydrophobic sand is 10. Okay, let's see, what's this? Oh, here.
Oh, did that fall out?
No, it was here.
Okay.
Okay, so over here, there's,
Oh, I see.
Oh, turn box up. Yeah.
Okay, I see what this is. It looks like there's a total of 3 instruction pamphlets.
Yep, one for each activity.
Yep.
And over here, there are some pictures for, oh, why are you stuck? Oh, here. And over here, there's some pictures for each one.
Okay.
On the back 1, 2, and 3 correspond to each one, I think.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And one thing I noticed is that the bags 1, 2, and 3 correspond to each of the pamphlets. So I guess 1 bag for each experiment.
Over here says Mel Physics instructions,
Hydrophobicity. Okay.
So here's an instructions book. Let's see.
Please review the safety manual before beginning each experiment, taking care to review the sections immediately applicable to the experiment you're about to perform. For example, if you're going to perform an experiment with magnets, please pay particular attention to the magnets section of the safety manual. Okay? So take a look at that.
Okay.
Clear your desk of any items not related. Do not keep food or drinks. Work carefully. Do not rush. Take care to avoid any flammable objects when working with fire. What? We're working with fire? No, I don't think we will.
But this
Do not perform an experiment unless someone is present to supervise you, okay? Read the safety manual before use. Alright, so keep young children away from the experimental area.
We don't have
Store this experiment set out of reach of children under 8 years.
I am 8 years old, though.
Always wear eye protection. Oh yeah, we need the eye protection maybe. when specified in this manual or in the experiment card. Never eat or drink. Make sure that your pet friends are not in the experimental area.
Oh wait, we're pet friends.
What?
Yeah, because we're pets. Well, we're mammals, so that must mean that we're pets.
During experiments, always use only the components and the equipment provided, plus the occasional find it yourself components, exactly as specified. Clean all equipment after use and wash your hands after conducting experiments. After the experiment, dispose of all empty containers and packaging properly. Okay.
Okay, so over here is the first activity.
Hold on. And then there's going to be... Okay, so after you read all the generic safety instructions, then there's safety instructions for each of these
and also they tell you the difficulty, danger.
So for this physics set, all of the experiments we'll be doing are 1 out of 3 difficulty, which means they shouldn't be dangerous.
I think difficulty and danger is 2 different scales.
Oh, I mean danger.
Oh.
Yeah. So for all the experiments in this set, the danger is 1 out of 3. That means that all these experiments shouldn't be dangerous, but you never know. And, okay, let's see. Read and follow instructions, safety rules. Perform only the experiments outlined. This experiment set is only intended for use by children over 8 years.
Over 8 years.
Okay. Oh. The area should be well lit, well ventilated, and close to a water supply, just in case. Okay.
Yeah, we're pretty close to water supply.
Okay, so droplet labyrinth.
Oh, see the rest of the box first, and then we'll start first.
Oh, actually, these are instructions, not safety. Oh, there is a safety. Okay. Okay, so before we start on the first experiment, let's see what else is in here.
Is that fire stuff?
This looks like a wax candle or something with a piece of yarn.
Oh, yeah.
There's also a Mel Science QR code here.
This looks like some plastic tray.
Yeah, plastic tray.
Some cups.
Okay, cups. Hold on. We have to put things back after we're done.
That one over here.
Okay. Oh, these are the things that the desserts at Knott's Berry Farm come in.
Hey, don't sponsor Knott's Berry Farm.
Okay, these are kind of cool.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, here. Some red coloring. Looks like red food coloring.
Yes, probably a red. Oh yeah, it says red coloring. Blue coloring.
Blue coloring.
Blue coloring.
And this one, yeah, it's the lid is it shit tight? Okay.
Graphite. Graphite is what they use with pencil.
There are 2 graphites.
That's kind of cool. They have like graphite. Okay.
Oh, what's this? Oh, a tube. Does it have anything?
This is this is squeezer tube.
Oh yeah, that's a measuring tube, actually.
Oh, there's actually 2 of them. There is a paintbrush.
Oh, okay. Over here's a hydrophobic powder.
Hydrophobic powder. Okay.
Oh, here's a scroll.
Oh, this is a really nice texture. It's like, this might be like a mat or something to do the experiments on. I'm not sure.
Now,
can you sit properly?
okay. Over here are some weird looking stuff with a number 1 and 2.
Those are cards.
Those
are cards.
And there's some kind of cards within these paper things, I think.
Maybe it's for a game. I don't know.
Who knows? Well, we'll find out later.
Oh, wow. This is heavy. This is sand.
Really?
It's pretty heavy, too.
Let me see. Shouldn't be that heavy.
Over here is hydrophobic sand.
Well,
see, I'm not exactly sure what hydrophobic means. That's the theme in this set. I know hydro is water, and I'm not sure what phobic is. We might learn it in a bit, but, like, does it mean, like, phobia? Like, you're afraid of something? Like, I'm not sure. Okay.
Well, this one's called
So-
hydrophobic, so maybe water phobia.
So that's
city.
everything in this set. Now let's do the first experiment, which is droplet labyrinth. So,
Alright, I'm gonna pause this.
okay.
How about now we're gonna start on first.
Okay,
and
yeah.
We will do this. Alright, go.
And now we're gonna start our first next.
So that's the first
Okay.
set, and we're gonna.
You mean that's the unboxing?
Yeah, that's unboxing, and we'll come back with yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So that's the unboxing, and we'll come back in a few minutes, all set up for our first experiment, which is droplet labyrinth.
Slide it.
Slide it.
No, with this.
No, this is we'll come back with the experiment and then do this, and then our first.
I want
to Okay, do alright.
this.
So do it one more time.
Alright.
So that's
All right. So that's our unboxing. We're gonna get some materials set up, and we'll come back for our first experiment.
And go.
And we're back. We're all set up for the first experiment, which is droplet labyrinth. The description is soak in or flee. Depends on nature.
Oh no, and the difficulty on the stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
The difficulty for this is 2 out of 3. The danger is 1 out of 3, and it should take 20 minutes. Safety. Perform the experiment on the underlay and use protective gloves to avoid straining your hands.
Oh, so over here they provide
What's
gloves.
straining? Oh, staining. Okay. Safety. Perform the experiment on the underlay and use protective gloves to avoid staining your hands. Carefully review the general safety advice in the instruction book before starting the experiment.
So here are gloves.
Need gloves.
I think
Oh,
two.
2.
That means one hand will have.
Yep,
just
that means we each get one.
it.
Oh, wait, actually, this glove is too small for me.
Yes.
Hold on, are they different sizes?
This one's also this one. That totally fits, probably.
Okay, so,
That one looks bigger than this one.
yeah, this one's... Okay, so I think the gloves are different sizes because one of them was too small for me. Oops, wrong
This
way.
one's too big.
Well, I'm sorry about that, mister.
Sorry about the slapping.
There we go. All right. Step number 1 out of 5. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wear protective gloves and use the waterproof underlay to keep your table clean. To open a bottle, push the cap down and turn it. Use a paper clip to pierce the bottle nozzle. So, step 2. The 2 pieces of felt in this set have different writing properties. Oh, sorry. Step 2. The 2 pieces of felt in this set have different wetting properties. So I'm going to take this out. Okay, and the nice thing is I just noticed they include a paper clip.
Oh.
They include a paper clip so that you can use it to pierce the bottle nozzles. So that's really nice. Okay, there are 2 pieces of felt. Oh, wait, they also include napkins. Okay, so there's napkins. Not sure why. Okay, 1 piece of felt is rectangle.
And
The rectangle one is hydrophilic. The rectangle one is hydrophilic, which means it tends to absorb water, and the other is hydrophobic, so water will be repelled from its surface. That's really cool. Okay,
that's why
so
it's
this
called
one's gonna absorb the water. So the rectangle one's gonna absorb the water, and the square one's gonna repel the water from the surface. Okay. Step 3. The hydrophobic powder's attraction to water molecules is very weak, so drops of water will slide off it easily. Oh wait, actually, hold on.
Oh yeah, they
Oh, no. Okay, so for step 2, we get to open the bottles and then experiment with these 2 pieces of felt. Let's start with blue.
Oh, but be careful. Does it sting your clothes? Or just hands?
Of course it stains your clothes.
Aw, I don't like that idea.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Remember, push down. Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
now what do we do?
Oh, squeeze it. Wait.
Wait, but don't we
It
need
says
to, like...
7 out of 3. Oh, 7
Hold
out
on,
of
don't
10.
we need the paper clip to do something? Or is the seal already
Okay,
off?
let me see. So read the rules first, because once you squeeze on the paper, where's the paper clip? Give me the paper clip. Let me. So what they want you to do is like. Okay, I think the seal's over there, so I think you go and push it down. You wanna do
Okay,
it?
yeah. Okay, so apparently there's a seal for this food coloring, or whatever it is. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm just gonna go on one of them. Alright, so first let's do the hydrophilic one. This one's gonna absorb the water, the food coloring, I guess. Okay, yeah, it just says 2, right? I mean, it says 7 to 10 drops. So I'm just gonna do it.
Okay, I mean, look at the next. Look advanced to the next step to make sure everything's.
The next
alright.
step we
Is on
the next step is using the cards.
Okay, alright.
Okay, so I'm going to squeeze this one.
7 to 10 drops.
This, okay, 7 to 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
Okay, there we go. This is hydrophilic. It absorbed the food coloring, which basically acts like water. Now brother gets to try. Here, want to take it?
And do what?
Oh wait, shall we also open a red one? Since
Well, what did it say? I don't know what.
I mean,
instructions.
yeah, it says to use both. So
Sure.
why not?
Oh, but don't knock that down.
Don't worry, I won't.
And why?
On the same sheet.
Yeah, I mean we can just use them interchangeably.
Yeah.
They're just to make it colorful.
So, yeah, so Fubu can do this. Do you need help?
Oh, there we go.
Wait, on the picture, it looks like it spreads like that. How come it's not doing
No, it's fine. It's just supposed to absorb. It's doing that, right, Noli?
I know, but on the picture,
alright.
look. That's weird.
Was this the right sheet?
Huh?
Was that the right sheet? Because one of them looks like dots.
Yeah, they're correct.
Okay.
No, the one that looks like dots is this sheet.
Okay. Well,
Unless they messed up on their picture, which is basically a typo, except it's with a picture.
Here we go.
Fubu do it?
Boo Boo will do it after.
I'm too scared.
He gets 7 drops each. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now brother's going to get his turn for playing with it. Okay,
For
brother,
this
go.
sheet?
No, this one.
I thought it's 7 to 10 drops.
On each, but we're doing this one first. Go.
For each?
Yeah, for each sheet.
But this is already 7.
I know, but it doesn't matter how many we do, so you get your turn. Do as much as you want.
2, 3. Come on, go with the blue.
Good job, brother. Now do the blue.
I did 4.
Mhm.
Come on. We're here. B. One more.
Okay, and we did it. This is the hydrophilic one. It absorbs the coloring. Now we're going to use this on the hydrophobic fabric. Ready? So, I'll try the red first. Whoa, that's cool.
7 to 10 drops.
2.
Oh,
3.
yeah. Whoa, that's cool. The water stays in a bowl. How come? Oh, because this one absorbs what? It absorbs what?
There we go. This is the hydrophobic one. This looks really cool. As you can see, whoa, oh my goodness. This can slide around. Okay, I'm not going to move it. So basically, the food coloring on this one is not attracted to the fabric at all, so it's getting repelled. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, brother, you get 5 drops for each color.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was big. 4. And 1 over here. 1.
Okay, now brother can do the red one.
Whoa, that one's super big.
Uh-huh. Brother did a big, okay.
1. Come on, get into the blue. 2. Well, not onto the blue.
3,
3. Come on. Drop.
4. Squeeze harder.
Cool, please.
And last one.
5.
There we go. Okay, so you can clearly see the difference. That's really cool.
Oh, let me come in and take a
This one
photo of this.
absorbs
Oh,
water,
that's so cool.
and that one is just little pom-pom ball
These remind me of the water beads.
or water.
Yeah, it does. Oops, sorry.
So
Ta-da.
close. That's what I mean by drop it.
Okay, sorry. All right.
Okay. So this is really cool. Step 3. The hydrophobic powder's attraction to water molecules is very weak, so drops of water will slide off of it easily. Let's prepare a card with both hydrophobic and hydrophilic areas. Okay, so here we are.
1 card.
Yep, this is one card, card number 1. First, we need to prepare the card with hydrophobic and hydrophilic areas. Okay, so we're going to take the hydrophobic powder and we're going to coat the card completely. Okay, let's take hydrophobic powder. Let's open it. And we're going to coat the card completely.
It became purple.
It did. We're going to have to be careful with this one later.
Yeah, it becomes purple when they mix.
Yes, we made some purple dots.
That's cool.
Okay, so be careful with this.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It could be
Okay, ready? We're going to coat this completely with hydrophobic powder.
Oh, yikes. Be
Well,
careful.
with a paintbrush, right?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay, we're going to
So
take a
they
paintbrush.
provide a paintbrush. So we just,
Dip the paintbrush in the powder.
and just spread it around.
Mhm.
Even on the dots.
Yes, it's just a coat.
It says to what?
Ugh.
It stinks.
Yeah.
You're right.
Okay, so if you don't want to eat the powder, then just make sure the powder doesn't fly up.
Are you sure it's supposed to go on the mat?
It says to coat it completely.
But is it supposed to go on the map?
No.
Then why is it on the map, the powder? Because you do need directions. Please. Are you sure it's supposed to go on there? Come on. Don't push it. And are you sure it's supposed to go on the map? Because the directions didn't say that's supposed to go on the map.
Yeah, it is.
Really, this map.
Ooh, I know. We forgot to peel off the thing. Haha.
You've been wasting powder.
It's fine. I can pick it up later.
Yeah, right. You can pick it up. Oh, some is on there. But you've been wasting.
It's fine.
Come on. That way it'll spread to that table, and then we can never wipe it. Well, we can't wipe it. It's just it'll take forever.
Yeah, close the lid on that before it like tips over and everything. No, like close the lid.
Close the lid. Do you know what close means?
I put like close the lid on the two color.
Sure. Okay. The red one.
The directions say to peel it off first. Remember to follow directions.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't say it in the wording, so that's why.
And are you sure it's supposed to go on the mat? Hey, I thought you can't touch the powder with your hand. Or was that just the food coloring? I think that's enough powder.
There we go.
You might need more powder, so remember to save some.
Okay, now that we have our card coated with hydrophobic powder, we're going to
Wipe it down with the napkin.
No, we're going to gently wash off the extra powder that's still on.
Why wash it off?
That's what it says to do.
Are you sure? Wait, what's this? First, you put the powder on, and then you wash it, and you wipe it, and then the powder goes to waste. This makes no sense. Gently wash off the extra. Use blotting paper. Areas of what? The area.
Watch out, brother.
Oh, ow. Yeah, you're supposed
So that's why they provide napkins.
No, it's not napkin. It's a blotting paper.
That's a fancy word for napkin.
No. It's just blotting paper. Wow, some of the powder survived all that.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
So,
After that,
the areas of the card that didn't retain the hydrophobic powder will absorb water. Try to lead a single drop from the start to finish by tilting the card.
Oh, put it in here. Wait, you have to put it in here. That's the picture.
So, to start with,
Put it in here.
we insert the card inside the Petri dish.
Can I move it first? Can I move it around first? So we start at the water drop. Okay. Oh, that's the same thing as that.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you see this drop over here?
Hey, I want to do it.
Oops.
Ooh.
So basically you have to lead it to the finish. This is like a game without getting the droplet into this or that. Obviously, I think I lost because
It went out.
So I'll try one last time and then brother will get his turn.
Oh, is it only blue or can we do red?
You can do both. You'll do red. I'm on the blue team.
Okay. Whoever scores both times.
Yes!
Yes, you score. No, you don't score. Like, yes, you
Score.
Okay. I can do it 2 times, probably. I hope I can.
Okay,
Oh,
now it's
now
brother's turn.
Gonna become purple if I do score.
So we always start at the starting point, which is this water droplet, and then we have to lead
Can
the
you pour it in there?
droplet to the end.
And remember, don't put it on your hands or else it can stay forever. Okay?
Wait, make sure the camera.
Aw, I lost.
Okay, you get a total of 3 tries. So you have 2 more tries.
But you only got 2 tries.
I know. So I won in 2 tries. Wait, your finger cannot be here. Yeah.
And? Come on.
Nope.
At least I scored on yours.
Last
This is
try.
harder than I thought. Well, you only scored once. So as long as I scored once, that's good enough.
Show the camera.
Oh, they did see it.
Okay.
Come on, I did it 2 times over there, one
All
time
right.
over there. This is terrible.
Whoa.
This game is so hard.
Yep, it is. Okay,
How do
so
you
that's
score
basically
in
the
here?
point. Once you get it into the finish line, miraculously it stays because it actually absorbs the liquid. But yeah, that's how you do it. This is a pretty fun game actually. And there's also a second card you can play with,
Yeah, you
which
do
is
it.
a bit harder because
There's
you
more
have to
dots.
you have to move like around the board. You have to maneuver to avoid these dots.
Yeah. Are we gonna do that? Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Second card we'll do it off camera if you want to play it. So, is that it? The first one? That's it?
That's it.
I'm going to try one last time for this because it does say 1 big drop, so I want to see if a big drop
Could make
affects
it.
the outcome. I don't think it does.
I want to try then since I never scored.
Okay, but if it doesn't work, then you don't need to.
Okay, ready?
No, blue. Blue's mine.
Aww.
Okay, so I did a big drop this time. Let's see if it works. Whoa, no it didn't. Oh my goodness, this is a hard game. And imagine the second card's going to be even harder. So if you do get this physics set, give yourself some time to play with this. It's pretty fun.
Okay, wait, my turn to do the red.
Okay, and that's all. Now I'm going to read the lesson. Most things around us are made up of tiny particles known as molecules. These act on each other. These act on each other by forces of attraction and repulsion. These forces define certain physical properties of the material, whether it's a liquid or solid, how easy it is to shape and pour, and so on. Also, these forces determine how the molecules of different substances physically interact upon contact with each other. For instance, a drop of water will adopt a rounded shape on any flat surface. However, the drop will occupy different areas on different materials. The stronger the attraction between water molecules and the molecules of supporting material, the wider the drop will spread. Conversely, the weaker the attraction, the more the drop of water retains its original round shape. So this basically just explains the science behind
This.
how
How
you
this becomes purple.
how you get
And
things like
also
this.
how.
Honestly, this was oops.
Ooh, you score.
I scored.
No, you didn't. You didn't score.
And now I need to get it back on. Whoop, whoop. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Whoa. Okay, hold on. I think I need to get it onto here.
I think I have red food coloring on my glove. Yep, it's red food coloring on my glove. Yep, red food coloring.
That is so cool.
I have red food coloring. Wait, is food coloring harmful? Because we can eat it, so it isn't right.
Depends.
Is this one harmful?
This might not be food coloring though, it's just coloring. Okay. And that's all for experiment number 1, which is droplet labyrinth.
When
We had
a
a pretty
drop, I
good
scored.
time doing this labyrinth.
It's
It
not.
is pretty difficult. Okay, next up is number 2.
No, you're supposed.
Okay, and tell us about the
Alright.
second one.
For this experiment, which is called oil spill, the difficulty is 1 out of 3, and the danger is 1 out of 3. Use science to fight pollution. Okay, so the safety is the same as last time, and the disposal is the same. Let's go straight into step 1. Wear protective gloves and use waterproof underlay, which is this, to keep your table clean. Open the bottles you'll need before starting the experiment. You'll need some vegetable oil, which we have here. Prepare a mixture of vegetable oil and graphite particles. It will physically resemble petroleum in color, consistency, and solubility properties of its components. Okay, so we have graphite here. This is the thing that they use to make pencil lead. I don't know if it's toxic. Don't smell it.
No, I'm smelling this.
I don't think graphite is toxic, but anyways, we also need
Wait, don't make it spill. I also have no
okay,
graphite.
this measuring tube. We're going to dip it in the vegetable oil
Aw, I wanted to do it.
like that,
I did.
and then later on we squeeze it to empty it out. So I'll do the first one. Brother, you can watch carefully.
I like it. Wait, do we fill all the way? You have to read the instructions.
Yeah, we're going to fill the bottle the whole way because that's what the picture
No,
shows.
like this. This thing.
I'm not going to fill it all the way. I'll do like till
20.
Here.
25 or 15. Yeah, 15 more.
oops. There we go. Okay.
This is my favorite measure. Cool.
Now I'm going to dip it in this Hey!
I'm
Don't knock my
looking.
hair. And let's squeeze. I'm squeezing all the oil.
Wait, don't make it tilt. My turn. Yeah.
Okay, brother's turn. So far, I can start to see a little bit of petroleum in the making. Keep going. Release. You have to release. Release.
Yeah.
Stop. Lift up. Lift up. Release. No. Release.
Why? Yeah.
Okay. That's not how you were supposed to do it, but alright. My turn. Next time you have to follow directions.
Well, that's how I
Here,
usually
look.
do it.
So first you press, then you release, and you go to the level you want. Then you lift up and release. And then you go to here.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Okay, brother. Oops.
Wait, let it
There we
go.
go. Oh no, that's the perfect.
Aw, but you did it for me.
Sorry. Oh, you can do one more.
Ooh.
Go. Lift up from the oil when you're at the right amount.
Come on.
You have to let go, that's why. Good. Lift up.
Yeah.
Lift up. Good. Uh-huh. Perfect.
No, I think there's
Okay,
still
no,
room
that's
for-
a good amount.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I should not all the way. or all the way? Because it isn't all the way.
All right, I'll do the rest. There we go. Now I'm gonna close the lid.
And
we have
our
our petroleum in here.
And you have to shake it for 15 seconds.
It's nice and tight.
15
Okay,
seconds.
shake.
15
I'm
seconds.
gonna shake it for 7 seconds, and brother gets the remaining 8. 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here, brother, shake it for 8 more seconds.
Really? No, it's 7.
Go.
1, 2,
Hard.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5.
And now we have our petroleum. Okay. So, due to its hydrophobic properties and relatively low density, vegetable oil tends to spread over the surface of water just like real petroleum. Okay, first we have water. We need to add blue food coloring to it.
So get the blue food color.
Dada, can you get blue food coloring out? Do the one that we've already opened. Oh, and by the hold on, I'm talking to the camera. By the way, I'm not completely certain if that's food coloring. I think it is, but just in case, of course, like
Don't eat it.
yeah.
Let's see which one open.
Yep, it's that.
What's this one?
If
Let me check the other one.
you should check.
Yeah, that one. This one, the holes are poked yet.
Okay, so we have our blue food coloring. We're going to add it to the water. I'll do a few drops, then brother can do the rest. 1, 2. There we go.
Is it supposed to be all blue?
Well, we just have to make the water look blue. So however much is fine. Okay, brother, you can do the rest.
All blue, right?
If you use up the whole bottle, that's fine. You probably won't need to, but yeah. And then all this vegetable oil we don't need. So just a tip, when you do this experiment, you don't need too much vegetable oil.
Yeah. Is this?
Oh, and another cool thing about this is you can do the experiment multiple times because there's a whole another bottle of graphite. Do a little more.
No, I think that might be for the other experiment. Pretty sure it is. So, you might not.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Whoa, it's so blue.
Now we have blue water.
To be clear.
This is like water,
Wait,
artificially
close it.
blue water. Yes.
Close it.
Okay.
And then we add the graphite, I think, or whatever it's called.
Oh wait, actually this is not enough. They said to add half a bottle.
Half a bottle, but we already used some of it.
I know, but we're not at the halfway mark yet.
I know, but make it a bit more than half. I mean, a bit less than half. Well, basically lower than halfway mark.
There we go. Okay, and now we add the whole bottle of petroleum. Okay, I'll pour in the first bit and then brother can do the rest. And watch, something really cool is gonna happen. This is recording, right? Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool.
Petroleum in.
Whoa. Hey, my turn.
Whoa. It goes to the top. Okay, brother, go. Do the
It
rest.
explodes.
Do the rest.
One of them
My
exploded.
turn. Go. Pour the whole thing. Pour the whole thing.
Whoa, what
That's
are
it?
the-
Okay.
Will they explode? Aw, they exploded except one.
Well, we did fill the whole thing. Oh, wait, there's still a bit.
Oh, yeah. No.
So it's a hole in the water? What is that?
Okay. Somehow, I don't think we added enough, so we're going to do this again because it doesn't hurt to add more. We don't have enough on the top to see this.
Whoa, but there's a hole. I need a hole.
we're gonna fill this again.
Hey, I want to do it.
Okay, don't worry, you'll do the next one.
Okay,
Okay, do one, brother.
yippee.
So
I'll do 2.
we're basically adding more petroleum because it didn't work out the first time. I think this time we'll need to shake it for like 30 seconds at least.
Okay. And my second time.
Okay.
That you got it.
Because there was still a whole bunch of graphite on the bottom, so.
Come on. I let go. How come you aren't going up?
Do you need me to do it? We have to hurry up.
Yep. Do it.
Thank you.
I'll hold the bottle. How come it works for you? That's
There we go.
okay.
Got some more.
I want to do one last
What is this?
Aw. Can I shake it then? Since you gotta shake. Since you gotta.
You shake it first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. See, that's the problem. You don't shake it hard enough.
Fine, I'll shake it harder. Ow! You
I'm so
bit
sorry.
me. I think some spilled out.
It's only graphite.
And oil. At least the oil's eatable. Dude, stop shaking.
There we go. I
that.
shook it like mad. It has to work now.
But there's still a hole. Is that what's supposed to happen?
Ready? Let's do it.
I want to do
Here,
it.
brother, do the rest. The whole bottle.
Wow, now there's 2 holes. Oh, they're forming a hole. One exploded. Wait, so what's something cool that's supposed to happen? Is it's supposed to explode? There's still
Well,
a
we
hole.
still have a hole, so let's fill it with a bit more vegetable.
Hey, I want to do it this time. Gotta do it the last few times. Come on.
Okay. Here, you have 1 tube. Fill it about halfway.
No, I have 2
Or more than
times
half.
to do.
Do it the whole way. Whole way out.
Wait, what's it supposed to do?
It's supposed to look like that. But,
Oh, so in different layers.
yeah, but since there's a hole.
Oh, there's a whole layer. I see.
I think you put too much water. Maybe that's why.
Oh,
But it's fine. It's
Yeah.
fine.
I feel like I can shake it this time.
No, I shook it good last time
Oh,
because most of the graphite.
Wait. It's not.
It's fine. It's fine. That's good. Because most of the graphite is gone from the bottle by now, but there's still a bit.
Yeah. Oh, look. There's a little bit.
That's an oil spill.
No, like a mountain. Oh, look. There's a mountain. There's a mountain.
Cool.
Aren't you looking?
Ready?
Hey, me.
Okay,
Fine,
you can
you-
pour the whole thing.
Fine.
Go pour the whole thing.
Yoo-hoo. Come on, hole. Get patched up.
Yes, the hole got patched up. Yes.
Well, don't be too happy yet. We don't
Oh my
sure.
goodness, your glove got dirty.
It got dirty with black. But that's just graphite. I don't think it's toxic, but just in case, don't eat it.
Don't eat graphite.
Yeah, don't eat graphite. It probably tastes so gross.
It tastes like pencil. Okay, there we go. We have our petroleum and we have our ocean. So the point of this project is to make people aware of the oil pollution inside the ocean. Okay, over here, we're going to take the felt.
Oh yeah, dip it in there.
We have 2 new pieces of felt. Actually, this time we have a lot more. But we don't need to use all of them.
But we can use it for.
Okay, so first, we take the rectangular felt and we dip it in, okay? Brother, you'll get to dip the next one. It'll be cooler. So this one absorbs everything, which means it's going to absorb both the oil and the ocean.
Oh. Huh? How come it's all black? Why no blue? It smells like oil down here.
Did you do it right?
How come there's...
Was-
Oh, it's supposed to be all black.
I think this is showing you how you clean up the ocean, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So I think after you absorb it all, it should be all blue, right? Is it?
Maybe.
The water should be all blue.
No, it should be all black to get rid of the oil. That's the point.
Yeah, I mean at the end the water should be all blue. After all the
Yeah,
oil's gone.
uh-huh. Eventually. Okay, so here we have it. I see what we did. We added too much oil. Okay, but this is fine. So, as you can see, it picked up all black. I'm now going to try it with one of these square ones.
Hey, my
Hold on.
turn.
Okay.
It's my turn.
Yes, brother can do the square ones.
I think we added too much oil. Oil.
What does the square one do?
The square one is theoretically supposed to do what this one does, but I think the problem was we just added too much oil. Okay, now I think we messed this experiment up because we added too much. I mean, you saw how much we added. We did multiple bottles. Don't do that. Okay, brother, dip the square one in now.
I guess we shouldn't have patched the hole up
So it seems like we polluted the ocean too much.
too much. Yep. All
There
black.
we go.
All black. It does almost the exact same thing.
Yes.
Yeah, it does.
The one thing that I will tell you that you guys probably couldn't notice is this one doesn't suck up the oil that well. The one that I'm holding higher, this one doesn't suck up the oil that well because, I don't know, just the texture and stuff. This one does it very effectively, and I think that's what the project's trying to teach us. Normally, if we didn't put too much oil, this one would have been like half water, half oil. Oh, I get it. This one's too watery. It's sucking up the ocean too. That's why. That's the problem with this one. Okay, so with this hydrophobic felt, it's not sucking up any of the ocean, just oil. Okay, there we go. Look how much cleaner the ocean is now.
What?
It's a lot cleaner. See
What?
the top.
What top? Oh yeah, we're sucking up all the oil. Eventually.
Also, the texture of this oil is so much like petroleum. Like, this is a really cool experiment. Okay?
You can use the other end too.
Yeah, we can. Right?
Yeah, so you only use a new sheet. Just use a glove to hold that.
We're now going to use our gloves.
I thought Boo was going to do it.
Oh, yeah, brother, do it.
Yeah.
Go.
Get dirty.
This one.
Fly.
Whoa! Oh my goodness, this is sticky.
Ooh, we're cleaning up the ocean.
We are.
I don't like getting dirty, even on gloves.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay, so basically,
You're just spreading it more, okay? Just leave it alone. Know what you're saying?
in theory, that's what we're supposed to do. Okay, so you guys probably can't tell, but the hydrophobic felt was way better at sucking up the oil than this one. And yeah, this is a very cool experiment because now if I took this away, which I don't want to do because it's just going to spill all over the place, the water's a lot cleaner. Can you tell?
I don't think.
Not really from...
Yeah, okay. Well, from this angle you cannot tell, but when you look down, it's a lot cleaner. Okay, so the point of this is that the hydrophobic felts are much more efficient at ridding the water of pollution. And because of the material used, it's able to suck up the oil and not the water, which is why in real life, when we have oil polluted in the oceans, this might be a more efficient strategy.
But we can't just stick giant paper thingies on the ocean, or else people will get smashed, and the animals too.
Okay.
And the plants, not exactly.
there we go. There we have it. Another way you could have, no, that's too complicated. But basically, with this one, which was supposed to show both black and blue, I think we were supposed to add more coloring.
Oh, so the other sheet should have been blue?
Yes, in theory, this one should have been like half black, half blue. But because the blue is the water, you can kind of tell it's more watery. So I think it still did it on purpose.
All right, so that's the end of the second experiment.
That's all for the second experiment. I think this was really cool, very educational, and I really enjoyed making petroleum with graphite and vegetable oil.
And go.
It's time for our final experiment. Hydrophobic sand. This one looks really cool. As you can see, the regular sand absorbs the water, but the hydrophobic sand, which is blue, repels the water. So which means the sand doesn't get wet. That looks really cool. The difficulty is 1 out of 3, the dangerous 1 out of 3, and it should take 10 minutes.
Yes, and it involves water. That probably means water too. Yep, it does include water.
Step number 1 is generic, so I'm not going to read it. Step number 2. A crumbly substance like sand can also be made hydrophobic. While regular sand gladly allows water into the gaps between its grains, hydrophobic sand doesn't absorb water. Water's presence in sand changes its properties. So we have water. We need the measuring tube thing.
Oh, measuring tube. Measuring
Oh
tube.
no, we need a measuring tube.
Measuring tube.
Oh wait, actually, they gave us 2 measuring tubes. Ta-da!
Huh?
Where's the other one? Actually, I'm just going to use the new measuring tube. Is that fine?
That's fine.
Okay. Okay, so with the second measuring tube, let's see. Oh, I see. Okay, step number 3. Your special sand remains dry and crumbly even when immersed in a glass of water. It retains some air within its mass and on its surface. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what this is saying.
Don't you read the picture? I mean, look at the picture.
Ah. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open each sand thing. So here we go. Oh my goodness, this is like sand. This is real sand. Okay.
I know, it's real sand.
So with this sand, we're going to take the water.
I want to do it.
We're going to fill it up, okay? And Brother's going to drop this water
Into the sand.
into the sand.
The real sand. As you would say.
This is regular sand. There we go. As you can see, the sand completely soaks up the water, which means it doesn't do anything special.
Oh, do we only
Now-
get once?
We're going to try this on the hydrophobic sand.
Oh.
Not all the way. Good. I'll do this one. You did the last one. Whoa, that's so cool.
My turn to do on this card.
Okay, hold on. I flattened out the sand. So look, this is what happens. There.
Wait,
Do you see that? Look,
whoa.
the water is just resting on the top. It refuses to go into the sand. That is so cool.
Let me get a close shot of it.
Look at that big drop. Wait, my turn.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. Okay. So our special sand remains dry and crumbly even when immersed in a glass of water if we pour this into the water. Okay. So what we're going to do is
That never gets wet, eh?
Okay, it says to pour the whole jar into the water. Okay? It says-
Okay.
How do we clean up later? Do we dump everything, or are we able to preserve both sands and then we can use it again?
Yeah, there's a way to. Basically, yeah, I think there is. Because there's like a cleaning process, I think.
And then we can redo it again?
Hmm?
And then we can
I'm
save-
sure you can do it again once the sand dries.
Okay.
Okay, so it says to dump the whole jar in.
So
All
we
right,
got.
ready?
Oh. Wow.
There we go.
One layer of. This is the layer of sand.
Wow, that's so cool. It sinks to the bottom. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, our sand is wet. Oh, if you stick your finger in, wow, the texture is really nice. But anyways, it's wet sand.
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to pour the jar of hydrophobic sand in. Ready?
Move that one out of the way so that the camera can see that.
Okay. There.
Okay, and go. Oh my goodness, the water goes in first. The sand that was on top of the water is completely dry. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! It looks like.
Here,
It looks
do
like a
the
big
rest.
clump of poop.
Oh my goodness.
Is it wet?
Whoa.
Let me try.
That's so cool.
It's wet. I thought this activity is called sand that never gets wet.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It's like, but you can see it's like separated from everything else. In fact, if I,
Wow. The sand is deep down here.
wow, that's cool.
I don't like
Oh
the
my goodness,
sand.
look. When I get the sand up, now feel it. It's completely dry.
Let me see.
It's dry, right?
Oh, yeah. Let me wash it off with the water. I think there's water in this experience. That's the only time I like water.
Wow,
Whenever I
that's so
wash
cool.
this off.
So like the sand does not get dry.
But
Because
this
when you
one-
lift it out of the water, it's good as new. This is the coolest experiment in this whole.
Yep, I told you it would.
That's so cool.
Oh, you said sand doesn't get dry. You mean it doesn't get wet?
Oh yeah. I mean, the sand doesn't get wet.
Good thing it's just water.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. I'm going to take some of the sand and I'm going to put it in here
What?
so that I can prove my point that the sand is completely dry.
No, there's still water. But yeah, you could kind of prove that. Right?
The only thing is I'm not sure what this is made out of, this hydrophilic sand. There we go. There, folks, oops, there's some water in here.
Here, folks. Yeah, right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this sand gets wet.
This was all submerged in the water. It's completely dry. Feel it.
Oh, dang. Here, show it more. Up more.
I don't want to tilt it.
Up more a little bit. Okay, stop.
It's completely dry.
Back it up a little bit. Back it up a little bit. Back it up just a tad bit. Okay, hold on. Focus on it.
I can only stay for like 10 more seconds. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me focus back on you. Okay.
Really? It's completely dry.
Hold on, and now I'm going to pour water on top.
Whoa.
It's completely separated. Hey, watch out. Let me put it back.
Still dry.
Whoa. It's still dry. And now? Whoa, it
Here,
floats on top. Oh, yeah, that's
Wait,
cool.
let me get it from the bottom. See if it's still dry. Are you kidding me? It's still dry. Aw, Sam. Aw, Sam.
Don't just...
Oh, let's do that. Put it in water and
You
brush it
put
off
it in
your
my
arm.
mouth.
Sorry. Come on. Wash it off. Still some. Come on, wash it off. I wish I could do it in here, but it'll get mixed up. Come on. Get it up. Now. Come on. Get it off.
It's fine. You can go wash hands later. Alright.
At least water.
Alright, come back with final thoughts. Oh, finish this and then we'll clear and then we'll do final thoughts on everything.
No, there's still some stuff.
Oh, there's some more? Okay. So let's do some more. Alright, what's next?
Okay. Step number 4. Some water can permeate even into materials. Oh yeah. Some water can permeate even into materials with very weak wetting properties. Still, water evaporates from hydrophobic sand much faster than from regular sand.
Okay, I did not understand anything.
Okay, so basically, to test your theory, if you wanted to, you could get rid of the water in here, and oh no, you could actually just leave this to dry. So like, see how long it takes. You know what? Something really cool I want to do.
Don't mix it.
I know, yeah. If we get another cup, oh yeah, they give us some cups here. We were actually supposed to use these for the last experiment, but they have a whole bunch there actually.
Oh, really? Oh. Yeah, you didn't look at it carefully.
I know, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do this.
And it's gonna be. Oh, yikes. Sand. It's fine, you'll dump the water.
That's a miracle.
Let me touch.
It's all there. It's dry.
Show the camera, don't shoot me.
It's all completely dry.
Let me touch.
I back it up a little bit. Yeah.
Let me touch. Touch.
You want to feel it?
Camera felt it.
Camera felt it.
It's
Okay.
wet a
And now
bit.
I'm going to get the water and pour it back on top.
Wait, let me dry it while there's no sand in the water. Okay, good. Wait.
Ready?
Good.
Whoa!
Sink to the bottom of the dam. Wow. The water always goes first, and then the sand. Whoa, you're gonna overfill this cup. Whoa. Whoa, now it looks like how it started. Well, we poured it in. But remember, don't put it in.
There we go. On the other hand, we have this sand.
That
It feels nicer, actually. This sand
Yeah.
feels nicer, but it's not as cool because when I take it out of the water, it's still
I wish
extremely
this
wet.
is the one that's dry. But it's so nice, way nicer than that one. And also it dries up.
Okay, all right.
Well,
And that is all for this experiment. That is all. That's so weird. How come when it's in the water, it has like a silver coating?
Alright, so and go.
So we've done the 3 Mel Physics. So we've just done the 3 Mel Physics experiments, and I've got to say that 2 of them were really cool. The first one was fine, but my favorite was the third, the one with the hydrophobic sand, because when you took the sand out of the water, the blue sand was like completely dry, and that was like a miracle. So that was so cool for me.
my favorite one was probably the second one.
The one with the oil? Yes, I did find making petroleum to be very fun. You mix graphite with vegetable oil for the reference. And basically, like, you just got to see when you dip the what are they called? The felts in the water, like, they react differently when you pull them out. So, yes.
What again? If these
Okay, yeah. So overall, this was really fun, and If you found this interesting, you can purchase it at the link in the description, and that's all.
Bye bye.
Are you gonna fall?
No, because I have nowhere to fall.
All right, I'm gonna go.